In this tutorial, we will talk about how to operate layers in the drawings. Here in Ribbon Layer panel, you can see the standard layer list, which will allow you to set layers current or just layer properties. Now the current layer is layer 0, which is all turned on, thawed, unlocked, and has a color associated of white. If I draw a line, you will notice that it takes on the properties of current layer, so the line is drawn on the object layer and will by default receive the properties of that layer. Then change current layer to center and draw a line across this circle. You will notice a line is indeed drawn with the properties associated to the center layer. Click the layer list. Here you can turn on off, thaw, freeze, lock, unlock, and change the color of the layer. Also, you can change the statement of layer by commands in the panel. Now click the Layer Property command and open Layer Property Manager window. Right-click and set the Detail Layer Current. Then right-click and select Invert Selection, which will have all of the other layers to be selected. And then you can set properties of those layers at once. Next, click the layer 0 and set its transparency to 50, and then click the New Layer button. You will notice the new created layer have the same property as the layer we selected. Then set its name to text. Set layer text as current layer, then click the Change to Current Layer command in the Ribbon Layer panel, and select the text object. Press Enter. By clicking Turn on off the layer 0 and layer text, we will notice the layer of the object has been changed from layer 0 to layer text, and then set its transparency back to 0. If you want to delete a layer, for example, I'm going to delete the layer text, first I should make sure there are no entities currently using the layer or residing on that layer. So I have to move the text back to layer 0, and then select layer text and click the delete button to delete it.